How to fix a scratch on a car. Small scratches can be fixed with touch-up paint. Step 1. Determine whether your car's paint is enameled. If it isn't, proceed. Step 2. Wash the surrounding area with a mild laundry detergent. This removes any wax or coating that would otherwise affect the new paint you'll apply. Step 3. Sand along the scratch with fine-grained sandpaper, being sure to sand away any rust that has accumulated. Step 4. Blow away or brush away all the dust. Step 5. Isolate the scratch by using paper or newspaper and masking tape, so you can only see the scratch and a small area around it. Step 6. Identify the touch-up paint color you need by first checking your vehicle's identification number, which is stamped into a small metal plate located on the dashboard on the driver's side. Step 7. Provide this number to an auto parts store or an online site. The vehicle identification number describes your car right down to its particular shade of paint, so matching a color is a breeze. Step 9. Spray the area with touch-up paint. Step 10. Let it dry overnight.